we are pleased to announce Geriatric Machinist. Feeling your age? Hands not quite so steady? Eyes not quite so good? Well, here is the answer. Simply take 2 tablets before a shop session and enjoy the rejuvenating results. Machine to closer tolerances, easier intuitive selection of tooling, feeds and speeds suddenly become automatic, vision improves, and fatigue just disappears. Geriatric Machinist is not to be taken with peanut butter and jello sandwiches, potato chips, or after more than 15 beers. Side effects can include flatulence, itchy gonads, loss of hair, nasal drip, and improper thoughts. So speak to your doctor and see if Geriatric Machinist is right for you. Copays are as low as $100.